Well, it's the day after the storm and we're going to dig out. See if I can get the 8163B out. Man, there's some serious snow. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Town hasn't even plowed the road yet. They did one pass last night at about 10 o'clock. And I can't even back my car onto the road because it's one lane wide. No one would even be able to get by. This is going to be a wet butt. I can smell it. Let's see. Oh look, there's a gas tank under there. Oh look, here's my little tarp holder. Let's see. This is crazy. I love snow. I don't even know if I'm going to get this thing out. It's got a foot of snow around the front of it. Let's see. My 30-inch mower deck drive for a weight. Let's see. It's supposed to be 40 degrees today, so I'm sure we'll encounter some melting. Be nice. This has the makings of a wet spot all over it. Wet back for sure. Let's see. I just had a problem where my electric start was not working. So I came out Tuesday night and worked on it and figured out it needed a new solenoid. Let's see if it works today. All right. We're in business. Now, can I get out of the snow that's over the front wheels? Next question. I know I fought hell from people about not letting my tractor warm up a few weeks ago. But whatever. See what we got. Oh yeah, she's dug in good. See if I can just drive out here. Oh, I got it in low range. I'm like, how come it's so slow? I had taken the shift blade off. And evidently I just left it low when I put it back together. So, yeah.